All right. So hopefully you guys got some value from that. The way we like to finish the show up is to talk about our widget of the week. And the goal with these Whissel widgets of the week is we want to share things that we're utilizing in our business that either save us time, make us more money, or just help us have more fun. What do you got today, Bryan?
So today my widget is a camera gear oriented piece. This is the question we probably get asked after what camera to use, probably most often when people see our Everything East County videos. And it is this small battery-powered spinning plate. What we do is we put the food on here, we have it spin. I like it a lot, and I think this one cost us $20 to $30. We did get another one with a cord. I don't like that one as much. It does handle heavier weight, and it's great to have as a backup in case these batteries die. But I like this one more because there's no cord. There's nothing. You don't have to be limited to where you're plugged in. But yeah, it's like $30. You put it on the plate. It's got a low speed and a high. You put the plate on it. You have a low speed and a high speed. I like to film the food spinning on it for at least a minute. So that way we can speed it up, slow it down, reverse it, and kind of it's not a Missy Elliott quote. I knew that was coming. So yeah, we go with that. So that's my widget of the week. We'll put the link in the comments. I always just Google or I go on Amazon and search Motorized Lazy Susan, and I find it has a little airplane on the box.
All right. The one that I'm going to share today, we've essentially gone this direction with our offices now, and if you run an office, I would strongly encourage you to do the same. What we used to do in our offices have a bunch of workstations all over the office with desktops, monitors, the whole nine. What I found over time was that the agents would just destroy these computers. They would install all kinds of weird stuff. The desktop would have like 6,000 files on it. Everybody was changing the settings, changing the logins. Like, it was a hot mess.
It doesn't help that you buy like $28 computers.
Hey, they were 100, okay?
There it is.
They were 100. So what we've started doing in our office is we're utilizing docking stations now. The particular one that I just got like 2 weeks ago, I got this thing for $10 on Amazon. I think normal price is $20. The company is Vava, V-A-V-A, and it's a USB-C docking station. So I run a MacBook. But the cool thing is with these docking stations is that it doesn't matter if somebody's running Mac or PC. When somebody comes into the office, the monitor, the keyboard, the mouse are all there. When somebody comes in, all they have to do is plug a single cable in to their computer and or into their laptop. Their laptop now projects up onto the screen, and they've got a full-size keyboard, they got a full-size mouse, and we're running these 34-inch monitors, which essentially act like a dual monitor. So it makes it very, very easy now. As my agents come and plug in, they're plugging their laptop in. They know exactly where everything is. If they download any weird stuff, it's downloaded on their computer. The printer settings are exactly how they want them. Everything on these computers is their computer. It's the computer they use every day. So it significantly increases their efficiency, especially because now they're not sitting on a laptop where they have to look down, at a screen. And by the time the day's done, they have a stiff neck and a headache from looking down at their little laptop on the tiny keyboard, and their fingers sore from moving all over the trackpad. They've actually been using a full-size keyboard, a full-size mouse, a giant screen. So it massively increases their efficiency, and it decreases the amount of headaches that we have because they're using their device. We don't have to help them install different programs or do anything because it's their device.
We still do sometimes.
You got to help them get their printer set up.
The printer, yeah.
I love Mac, but setting printers up on Mac is a pain in the ass. But outside of that, I love it. So Vava, it's a USB docking station. We also have some other ones made by Pluggable. These things are super inexpensive. And also, as a business owner, it saves you money because you don't have to buy all these desktops, and then you don't have to spend money to fix them after the agents
saved you
break them.
$90. That's great.
Yeah, this thing is beautiful. So hopefully you guys got a lot of value out of the show today. Again, if you want to stay connected with us, go to thewhisselway.com. You can join our Facebook group, subscribe to our podcast, our YouTube channel, find out about upcoming events, join our referral network, ask questions you want to have here on the show. Hopefully you got value. Thank you so much for tuning in.
See you next week.
Wait. Before you leave, I want to share some more tips and tricks that we're using in our business to take it to that next level. Just click right here. And don't forget to subscribe. Click right here.